Namaskar, dosto. मेरा नाम है Rukit Tribhuvan Kaushik, and you guys are watching my video blog. First of all, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021. Also, I so pray to the God that this coming year we should be out of this COVID-19 and the vaccine should come and we should get benefited of it. Friends, today's point or the agenda for our discussion is Chargesheet. And before I begin with the topic, first of all, make sure guys you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you guys make sure that you also follow my social media details. My social media details will be right here for you all. So let's begin with today's topic. So first of all, the question before us is, what is Chargesheet? So guys, in a criminal justice system, there's a standard operating procedure, which means when there is a crime, so the crime gets registered. I mean, the first information report is filed before the police station, which happens under section 154 CRPC, post which there is this investigative officer which is assigned to the case. Now this investigative officer will have to complete the entire investigation within the specified time given in the Code of a Criminal Procedure. So once this entire investigation is done, either the investigating officer decides that there was no crime happened, so he files a final report, or he files a charge sheet. So if you do see here, today's point of discussion is charge sheet. So under section 173 CRPC, the investigative officer files a charge sheet. Now this charge sheet is basically a complete document. If you do see, it's a document which actually talks about how this investigative officer has completed the entire investigation process, which means, did he go to the site? Did he prepare a site plan for the incident? Did he happen to meet people, those who were eyewitnesses? Did he happen to record and collect any sort of evidence? And if he happened to collect, so has he collected all this, as per the law? This is something which is up to the court to sort of decide, but he does. Normally the protocol is such that the investigative officers follow the book, and that's how they prepare their charge sheet. Now, when the charge sheet comes, that is when defense main job or a core job starts. What I mean to say here is, post charge sheet, defense actually will have to prepare for a defense. You understand? Because when charge sheet comes, then the courts will start to work on how to begin the trial, to begin with framing the charges and so on and so forth. So for lawyers and for law students, it's very important that you do study charge sheet thoroughly, because charge sheet will tell you what's right versus what's wrong. You will, in case if you are a aged vintage lawyer, you will be able to find out loopholes within the charge sheet. Now, understand that we have discussed this before, that for somebody who's the victim, for him there is an entire system altogether who actually helps conducting a trial. But as far as defense is concerned, as far as accused is concerned, only his counsel or his family members or a relative people, they are the only people, those who actually will have to prepare his defense. So once the charge sheet is out, which will be given under section 173 CRPC, if you're a lawyer practicing, and if you want to practice just the exclusive criminal law, if you're a law student who wants to practice criminal laws in India as a criminal justice attorney for defense, then you will have to make sure that you start to read charge sheet thoroughly. Read charge sheet. If you are like an intern right now, so go to any lawyer's chamber, as if where you guys are practicing, as if where you guys are doing your internship. So go there, find out any case charge sheet and study that. Do let me know, guys, if you have any questions pertaining to charge sheet, because understand, charge sheet is basically a complete draft. It's more like a book based on the investigation of an IO. Okay, so this book tells you on which page which document is there, where is the statement, where is whatever. So entire documentation will be in the form of a charge sheet, which is more like a thick book. In financial crimes, etc., you may get a charge sheet which is in 1,000 pages. For normal petty offenses, some odd 100 pages charge sheet is there. So make sure that you put time, jot down details in terms of what's not mismatching or what's mismatching. Make sure that you prepare your own timeline as a defense counsel, and that's how you start to work on your case. When I say a timeline, you'll have to create event, you'll have to make sure that you have your bandwidth with you, because based on that only you'll be able to defend your client. So charge sheet is a very important document when it comes to criminal justice system. Guys, so that's pretty much I have for you today. Once again, you do see my details here. Don't be a lazy guys. Just subscribe to my channel, people, and also follow me on social media like Facebook. So yeah, so that way you guys are connected. Do let me know on certain topics in case if you guys want me to prepare videos. I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Once again, wish you all a very happy new year, guys, and keep learning, keep growing. Have a good one.